reaching for the a former slave and a maid raises lady up, Helen Octavia. Never thought one day she'd be saving you. First black grad from the U of Illinois. Silence races killing noise. Knew I had to fill a void for the all that I can, so the good Lord help me. Although you're not wealthy, want you to have a healthy You a blessing to me, you're all precious to me. In Philadelphia and started helping her, cause we know a healthy woman has a healthier Therefore, it's the teens I get scared for. I help them to prepare for and teach them how to care for. First black woman recognized by the College of the Surgeons. Won't hesitate to educate communities I serve in about that. Always urging, they all stay virgins, but I'ma still give you the respect that you deserve, and it's okay. You a blessing to me, you're all precious to me. No time to list stats here. Many black women would've died without a pap smear, never had her. Once we had that clear, it was time to conquer that fear. The Henrietta Lacks years got me holding back tears, my poor. Saw the numbers, I was horrified. Told us all sort of lies. Work hard to get the test normalized and save our future of the human race. Had to get it straight. Convinced the NIH and we did it for the sake of the God sent a message through me. You all precious to me. Impossible to stop her, that's why we call her Doctor.